Gawa tayo ng Advantage Plus Shopping Campaign na setup sa Ads Manager. Now, punta lang tayo dito sa Create, hit Sales, Continue, and then select the Advantage Plus Shopping Campaign. So, it's very streamlined na. Very quick lang yung setup nito kasi minimal clicks na lang yung gagawin mo and something na minimal manual input. So, you can see you just need to select the conversion location, your pixel if you have, and kailangan yan, especially kapag e-commerce ka, yung binibenta mo, or nasa niche ka ng e-commerce. Then, you just select the location. Makapapansin nyo na wala ng option for the age and the targeting. So, that's how it differs from the manual sales. Then, the budget. Then, next mo lang, automatic pupunta ka na dun sa mismong ad level na tinatawag. Now, you just need to upload your photo or something like that. So, let's say, set up tayo. Very, very quick lang. Now, kunwari ito yung client ko. Then, sabi niya, "Uy, Leia, I have a promotion right now. And you can see it on my website. Wala akong tawag dito. Creatives, maybe you can just grab some sa loob. And nagagawin ko is punta ako dito sa my ChatGPT and then I'll create some ad copy. Create a Facebook ad copy about this offer. Then make it short, direct response, something like that. Okay, so wait lang natin siya mag-generate. Then, yan. Kung gusto mo naman to na, okay. Or if you would like to regenerate, then make sure to ask ChatGPT to regenerate another ad copy. Once okay naman to, just copy it. And let's paste it. Okay. So, let's set up a creative muna. Yan. So, primary text is, this is where we will put the ad copy. Okay. Parang na-stress ako dito sa gift na emoji. So, ayan. Don't miss out. Super dami-dami nito. So, wag na yan. Diba? Pwede, ikaw naman ang bahalang mag-check niyan. The headline should be, dapat hindi sila maliligaw. Okay? Enjoy earring gift sets. Yan. Limited time only. Na ganyan. Or limited stocks. Kailangan kasi yung ad copy mo and the headline should be aligned. I don't put some description. Then just go hit and go shop now. Next. Kunwari, ito yung ad creative ko. Kunwari lang, nanguha lang ako dun sa website ng client. And then, dito sa may Advantage Plus Creative Enhancement. Beware. Kasi marami kang optimization na makikita dito. And I mostly turned this text improvement off. And if you have a catalog and you would like to show the other products doon sa iyong target audience, then you can add it. So, let's say, ayoko, edi off mo lang. Music, I just put it on kasi para hindi naman siya boring sa reels or tag dito, story. Ayan. So, I have, okay, nawala yung aking ad copy. Bad trip. So, medyo nagbabag-bag siya, no? Tapos, kunin natin yung ad copy ko dito. Very quick lang. Okay, hindi ko na siya edit kasi nakakainis siya. Tinanggal niya yung ginawa ko. Now, shop now of course. And the website. Okay. Kung gusto mo, i-click mo muna yan and then make sure na tama yung landing page mo or yung collection page URL is similar dun sa ipinupush mo. Diba? Now, this is the ilaki-lakihan natin. Then, you can preview ano itsura niya sa feeds. Okay, maganda naman. Stories. Tingnan natin. Okay. So, since wala naman tayong story format na version, ganyan yung itsura niya. Now, once okay na, you can just hit publish. Okay. So, yun. That's how you create Advantage Plus shopping campaign. And kagandahan dito is you can test up to 150 creatives at a time.